everyone, today we are starting our new series of CCNA 0 to Hero, in which we will cover each concept in depth from basic to advanced. So, I am Twinkle Sharma, your online instructor, starting this series from our first topic, Internetworking devices. Okay. So, internetworking devices are hardware components used to connect different networks and manage data traffic between them. These devices operate at various layers of OSI model and perform functions such as routing, switching, bridging to ensure efficient data communication. Here are some common types of internetworking device: hub, bridge, switch, router, gateway. Okay, so our first device is hub. Hub sends data to all computers which are connecting to it because it cannot recognize the source or intended destination of the data. Okay, it is a layer 1 device, works on physical layer. Okay, electrical signal or bits. Half duplex these devices, data forwarded in bits. Plug and play device, number of ports is 2, 4 and 6. Okay, operates in single broadcast domain, always do the broadcast. Okay, it is a LAN device. So we have the two types of hub also, active and passive hub. Active hub need electricity. It amplifies signal and regenerate signal. It is a kind of repeater. Passive hub is don't require electricity. There is no change in the signal during the transmission and it sends the data as it is. No need of power supply. Okay, it does not amplify signal, simply receive and forward. Okay, this is how the hub will work. It always do the broadcast, right? Okay, and here there is no collision. Only one PC can forward data at one time. Okay, then we have the bridge. Bridge reduce the amount of traffic on a LAN by dividing it into two segments. Okay, it is a layer 2 device. Work on data link layer. Send or receive data frame. Okay, learn MAC address. Okay, used to connect multiple network segment. Okay, also we can say obtain the LAN segments. Okay, then plug and play device, single broadcast domain. Per port collision. Okay, number of ports is 2. Okay, and full duplex device it is. Bridge maintains the MAC address table. Bridge reduce the amount of traffic on a LAN by dividing it into two segments, right? Okay, then how it is maintained the MAC address table, say this. Okay, then it is a full duplex device. It can send and receive data. Then we have the switch. Switch is a layer 2 device, or we can say layer 2 and 3 device. It is a full duplex device. Okay, number of ports is 16, 24, 32 and 48. Okay, and there is per port collision in the switch. Work on the data link layer. Send and receive data frame. MAC address aging time is 300 seconds. Maintain MAC address table. Switch has CLI and GUI mode. Okay, Every port or switch is separate collision domain. First, it broadcast, then unicast and multicast. It also maintains CAM tables. CAM stands for Content Accessible Memory Table. Okay. So, these are the cable and port type in switch at Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabyte, serial. You can say this. Okay. Also, let me discuss the types of switch. We have the first type is store and forward switch. Okay, this switch buffers and verifies each frame before forwarding it, little bit slow but very reliable. Then we have the cut through switch. The switch reads only up to the frame hardware address before starting to forward it, no error checking. Then we have the fragment free switch, a method that attempts to retain the benefits of both store and forward and cut through check first 64 bytes. Then we have the adaptive switching, a method of automatically selecting between the other three modes. These are the cables and ports in this switch. Catalyst 2960, fast Ethernet port. Okay, you can see. Then we have the command for the MAC address table. First, enable, then show MAC address table. Okay, it will show you the MAC address table. This is how the switch will work. Okay, destinations, we have the source packet which is used to be forward. Okay, then we have the router. Router is a layer 3 device. It is a WAN device, connect two or more networks. It is an internetworking device. In router, every port has its own broadcast domain. Okay, it uses IP address sent in form of packets. Maintain routing table. Okay, the port, it has 2, 4 and 8 ports. Fast Ethernet 1000 1 Gbps. Router is used to establish the communication between two different network devices. Okay. Then we have the gateway. Gateway, it is a connecting device used to connect remote networks with the host networks. Generally, it acts as a entry and exit point. Mostly, gateways operates at application layer. Okay. Hope you will understand about the internetworking device. Other concepts we will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.